So let me talk about the super keyword. Super keyword is used to invoke the super class constructor and used to override the methods available in the super class. We will talk about this override in the next lesson, but let me explain. See, here the person is having its own default constructor. Let me remove it. Now what happened, my friend, when you come back here, you can see, okay, and let me comment this two constructor or any one of the constructor. Let's say I am going to comment the second constructor, and now we are having only one constructor. Now here this class has when this object of this class has been created, it should call with this constructor name. But here when we create an object of employee, here let's say the new employee, like this. Okay, so what happened in this employee, when it move back to the employee, then employee, okay, employee is inherited from person. The person object should carry these parameters, and this is not available. Okay, so what you need to do, the employee should define it. Okay, I am going to inherit it from the person, so I need to carry this constructor. So here you can say, you can add this constructor like this. Okay, and now the problem is solved. Now just look carefully here. I will just paste it here. Look carefully here in the employee parameters. Now these parameters has been added automatically because this should be available in the person. That's why you need to, when the object of the employee has been created, it will jump to the super class, and in the super class what will it will do, it will generate these four parameters based on the employee. So super is nothing. Super is basically, it represents the super class object, that is the person. Okay, so this is something that you need to remember. Super is used to override the super class method or the constructor available in the super class. Okay, so here suppose if we carry two constructor, all right, it won't give an error. It won't give an error. You can create one more constructor, same as the person class, as a public employee employee, and it should carry here string name, and I will use here, see, super, and here the name. Now this will work fine. Now this will work fine. So the creation of object will be same, but here whenever you use the child class, the child class should fulfill the prophecy that says, okay, we need to add these constructor, okay, and this constructor carries some parameter, so you can use super to represent the super class, and here everything will work fine. So see here, now what you can do, you can add the argument matches, you can, and now in this case scenario, once again you can either use the employee with one parameter, employee with four parameter. I will go with the first one, and here let's say Girish. So this is the use of the super, and in the next we will talk about how we can override the methods. We have gone through the overloading. We will talk about the overriding of the methods.